The right custom windows can transform a home's interior and exterior, providing natural light, enhancing energy efficiency, and elevating aesthetic appeal. For homeowners in West Jordan, keeping up with popular window design trends can make your home more attractive, functional, and in tune with modern design principles. If you're considering upgrading or customizing your windows, here are the most popular trends that can beautifully complement your West Jordan home. Energy-efficient windows. Energy efficiency continues to be a top priority for homeowners in West Jordan, given the varying temperatures throughout the year. Custom windows designed with energy efficiency in mind not only lower utility bills but also keep your home more comfortable. Low-E glass coatings. This type of glass minimizes heat transfer while still allowing sunlight to brighten your home. It keeps your interior cooler during the summer months and warmer during the winter. Triple and double pane windows. Custom windows with multiple panes provide superior insulation, helping to reduce energy consumption and noise pollution. Floor-to-ceiling windows. Floor-to-ceiling windows have become increasingly popular for their ability to create a stunning visual impact and maximize natural light. These windows make indoor spaces feel larger, offer expansive views of the outdoors, and bring a modern, elegant touch to any room. Connecting indoor and outdoor spaces. Floor-to-ceiling windows create a seamless connection between your indoor living areas and your backyard, patio, or garden, making it ideal for entertaining or relaxing with a beautiful view. Customization options. Choose from sliding glass panels, fixed panes, or a mix of both to achieve the desired functionality and style for your home. Black framed windows. Black framed windows are making a strong comeback in home design, offering a sophisticated, bold look that complements various architectural styles. Whether your home is traditional, modern, or somewhere in between, black frames provide a striking contrast that draws attention to the windows. Interior and exterior style impact. Black window frames can enhance curb appeal while also acting as a design element inside the home, adding depth and interest. Versatile design. Black frames work well with neutral palettes, vibrant color schemes, and various types of finishes, making them highly versatile. Smart windows and automation. With smart home technology on the rise, custom windows equipped with automation features are becoming more common in West Jordan. Smart windows allow you to control privacy, light levels, and even energy efficiency from the convenience of your smartphone or a centralized system. Automated blinds and shades. Control the amount of sunlight entering your home with the touch of a button. Smart shades and blinds can be programmed to adjust based on the time of day or your preferences. Self-tinting glass. Some custom windows feature glass that automatically darkens or lightens based on sunlight exposure, reducing glare and maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature. Unique shaped windows. Gone are the days of only rectangular window designs. Custom-shaped windows are increasingly popular for adding personality and flair to a home's architecture. Consider installing windows in unique shapes such as arches, circles, or geometric patterns. Architectural statement. Unique shapes create visual interest and can become a focal point in your home's design. Custom fit for your space. Whether for a small alcove, bathroom, or expansive wall, uniquely shaped windows are tailored to fit and highlight the unique aspects of your home. Large picture windows. Large picture windows are perfect for maximizing your view of the outdoors while letting in ample natural light. This trend is popular among West Jordan homeowners who want to bring the beauty of nature into their living space. Minimalistic aesthetic. Picture windows offer clean lines and a minimalistic look, making them ideal for contemporary and modern home designs. Framing the view. These windows serve as a frame for your landscape, whether it's a garden, mountain view, or cityscape. Bay and bow windows. Bay and bow windows remain popular for their charm, functionality, and ability to create cozy spaces within your home. These windows project outward, adding extra interior space that can be used for seating, storage, or decorative purposes. Enhanced light and space. The curved or angled design of bay and bow windows allows for more light and creates a sense of openness. Timeless appeal. These window styles blend traditional and contemporary elements, making them suitable for various home designs. Textured and frosted glass. Privacy and aesthetics often go hand in hand with textured or frosted glass windows. They're popular in bathrooms, front doors, and areas where privacy is desired without sacrificing natural light. Customizable patterns. Choose from a range of textures and patterns that match your personal style while ensuring privacy. Softening light. Frosted or textured glass filters light, creating a soft and inviting glow indoors. Elevate your West Jordan home with custom windows. Custom windows are more than just functional. They're an opportunity to enhance the style, efficiency, and comfort of your home. By incorporating the latest window design trends, you can create a space that reflects your personality, maximizes your views, and meets the specific needs of your West Jordan home. Explore the options available and transform your living space with beautiful, custom windows.